Hello all. In this video we will see what is display name and how we can change its value. So basically display name is a default field which is added by Odoo by default for all the models. The models which stores the data, that is the models which is inherited from models.model. So by default the display name field value is the value of the name field. Whatever is stored in the name field, it will take its value. If the name field is not defined and the rec name is there, then it will take the value from the rec name. So basically display name stores the value either from the name or from the rec name. Here these all are the cells order, and here on the cell order if we see that this is the cell order number which is technically stored in its name field. So here where is the display name is, so here we can see that the name of the cell order. So here it is, this cell order name is display using the display name. Here I have also created one delivery order, and in that delivery order if you can see here the cells order which is selected over here, we can see this is the many to one field, and we can see here the cell order number. So this is also a display name, this is display using that. So now we will see how we can change its value. For example, I don't want to show here only the cell order number, but I want to also add the reference values. So how we can do that? So to change the default value, to change the value of the display name, there is one method which is compute display name. We need to override that method. So here this is our custom module, and here I have added one method which is a compute display name method. Using this method you can change the values of the display name, you can change the computation, how the display name is calculated, that you can change. So first is we need to add depends, that this display name if we are calculating from any other field, then from which field it is depends on which field it is depend, that we need to put it over here. So right now I am adding the cell reference. So my display name computation use cell reference, so I have added in the depends. First of all we are storing the order name, and then we are merging the name and cell reference, and here we are assigning that name to the display name field. So this is how we can compute display name. So if we run this, so here you can see now that after implementing compute display name method, that here we can see the cell order name with reference values. Here also in the delivery we can see that the cell order name with the reference value. So this is how we can change the default display name. Thank you.